A lot of people ask me, Josh, how do you get a beard like that? Today, I'll share my secret with you. Step 1 is crucial, so pay attention. First, I grow a beard. Step 2 is even more important. Don't shave it. In all my years of beard experience, I noticed that every time I shave, it's gone. So I stopped, and now I have a beard. Step 3 is pretty simple. You just repeat step 2. And if you're anything like me, you'll have a beard in no time. And remember to drink lots of water, because it's good for you. And I'm not saying it'll help your beard grow, but I'm not saying it either.